Hello, in this video we'll see how to write alphabet Fe. So this is Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fe, F, Fo. I will show you how to write it. So Fe, Fe. This is, you can write it starting with writing Re. You remember Re? And then just add this to make it Fe. 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 Now I will show you how to add some features to make it Fu, Fi, Fa, Fe, F, Fo. So this is Fe, Fu. Just make this like that to make it Fu, Fi, straight here, Fa. Add it around here to make it Fe. Add this and just add this one to make it F. And finally, just add this and add it around to make it Fo. So what it means is Fe, Fu, Fi, just a little bit like that. Should not be that big, but okay. Fi, something like this. Fa, straight. Fe, just make the round here like Re. Remember Re? And then add this. Fe. F, make like R and add this. Fo is same like Ro and add this to make it Fo. Okay, so this is Fe. This is Fu. Fi, Fa, Fe, F, and finally we have Fo. Okay guys, so this is Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fe, F, Fo. I hope you learned it the way we write it. Please practice this, and I will see you in the next video.